Hey everyone, welcome to the first episode of my new video series, Your 5-Minute AI Fix. In this series, I'm going to bring you quick, practical ways that you can use AI to drive better, easier, and faster results at your work. And today, one of my favorite topics, I can't think of a better one to kick it off with, I'm going to show you how to use AI as your own personal cognitive assistant. So, what do I mean by that? Well, throughout my career, I have worked with founders who have built highly successful businesses from the ground up, all the way to some of the top leaders in Fortune 500 companies. And one thing that they all have in common is they will oftentimes have their own personal board of advisors, right? This might mean life coaches that they work with, mentors that they have worked with throughout their entire career. They're often avid readers. They listen to a lot of podcasts, all of these things to tap into experts to help them make smarter decisions and better decisions. And today I'm going to show you how. So, let's say that you are struggling with a problem at work. You've got an obstacle you're trying to overcome. In this particular example, let's say you want to drive more traffic to your website, right? And you're stuck, but you know that AI can help you. Well, what most people are going to do is they're going to start by putting a prompt in that says, how do I drive more traffic to my website? Look, you might get some good ideas from that. You'll probably get some good ideas from that, but you're also probably going to get a lot of things that aren't relevant to your business, to your website, to your target audience, whatever it may be. But with the right prompt structure, you can get highly personalized insights and solutions from experts that have already solved this problem before. And I'm going to show you how. Let's dive in. So here I have already run these prompts from the get-go, and there's going to be 3 key prompts that we're going to do. And the first step is with any problem like this is we want to refine the problem. That's what experts do. They refine the problem. Let's break it down and really synthesize it into the core building blocks or the core issues, if you will. And so in this first prompt, I'm trying to generate more leads for my business, and I'm struggling to get email subscribers to sign up for my newsletter. This is a real thing. I want to try to drive more newsletter signups. So I'm asking it to ask me 4 clarifying questions to help give me the best possible advice. Ask them in multiple choice, always ask the questions one at a time, and dynamically change the next question based on my previous answer. And then afterwards, say that you've got it and ask me what I want to do next. So it starts to go through. First question, where are most of your current email subscribers coming from? So I answer the question. Other, here's where they originally came from. What kind of content are you sharing or planning to share? Right? So I answer the question with A, but then I gave it a little bit more context here. So as you can see, it's asking me questions. How are you currently promoting it? What would you say is the primary reason people should sign up for your newsletter? And then it summarizes it for me. Here's everything I heard from you. What do you want to do next? So next, in the next prompt, now that I've refined the problem, now it's time to bring in the experts, the people that can help me actually solve this problem. And so the prompt is, I want to set a solutions for issue for my books that have been published by experts that could help solve the problem. It's very important. Identify the author of the book and the author and where the potential solution came from, what book it came from. And then I gave it a sample format. Follow the format exactly. Here's the solution, here's what I would do, and here's why I would do it. So it's going to give me 5 solutions from authors that have already published books on this. And then it's going to ask me what I want to do next. So solution 1, create irresistible incentives. Here is the author and the book, and here's what that author would do and why they would do it. Pretty cool. Solution 2, position the newsletter as a high-value product. From this book by this author, I would reframe the newsletter as a high-value product by clearly articulating the value it provides and making the benefit feel 10x greater than the cost. And here's why I would do it this way. So I've got 5 solutions here that I could start to work with. And a lot of these solutions are actually very relevant to me in this particular challenge that I'm struggling with. But what do we know about solutions? Solutions are great until you got to put an action plan, right? Solutions are no good if you don't have the action plan. So we're not just going to stop with the ideas that it gave us. We're going to now create an action plan from it. We're going to move from idea to execution. So final prompt, give me a 5-day action plan in the form of a checklist for implementing solution 2 above. That's the one I selected. Be as prescriptive as possible and give me at least 5 tasks to do each day. And for each task, actually give me a prompt that I can use with AI that would help me complete the task more efficiently and more effectively. So here we go. Day 1, define your dream subscriber and value equation. So it's going to give me 5 tasks to do in order to do this and the prompt for each one of them. So it does this for 5 days. Pretty incredible. Launch or promote your high value offer, measure, tweak, and automate for step 5. And here's all the things that it can do. Pretty incredible. Very short order. I identified a problem. I refined that problem. I had AI help me refine that problem, really breaking it down. Then I brought in the experts who could help me solve the problem. And then I had to give me an action plan on actually implementing that solution. So pretty great stuff. I hope you found this valuable. If you're interested, if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to this series, give me a like. And if there are maybe future use cases you'd like for me to explore, drop a comment below. I'll read all the comments. And finally, let me say all of the prompts that I have used today, you can go grab them when you want. They're in the description of this video. And good luck, and I'll see you next time. Have a great week.